how to transfer money from GCash to GoTime Bank. By the way guys, kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na kagaya nito, hit like and subscribe button. Okay? Kung paano tayo makipag-cash in sa GoTime Bank gamit ang GCash. First step is to open your GCash application on your mobile device and log into your account. Then select transfer icon at pumili ka if transfer locally or internationally. So dahil ang GoTime Bank is a local digital bank, so select local. Scroll mo lang to at hanapin mo ang GoTime Bank. Or kung gusto mo namang mapadali ay pwede mong i-search dito yung GoTime Bank. Okay, then tap GoTime Bank. Then enter details. Input the desired amount. 50,000 pesos ay ang maximum. At ang gusto kong ilipat ay 1,000 pesos. Okay, then yung account name. And GoTime account number. Ito po ay 12 digits. So ito po ay halimbawa lamang. At ang iyong email address. But ito po ay optional. Kung gusto mo lang naman makatanggap na resibo sa iyong email. And may 15 pesos fee po and will be charged per transaction. Then, i-check mo ang iyong mga details, especially yung GoTime account name and account number. Kung okay naman, ay pindutin mo na tong send money. Next is confirmation. Pag-check mo ulit yung mga detalye, yung GoTime account name, account number, email mo at yung amount plus yung 15 pesos fee. Make sure lang po na tama ito lahat dahil once na ni-confirm mo na to, this transaction will not be refunded. Okay, kung sure ka na ay pindutin mo na tong box to confirm. Then, itap mo na tong pay 1,015 pesos. Then, may 6-digit authentication code send to your mobile number via SMS. Okay, kapag natanggap mo ang OTP or code, kopyahin mo at i-enter mo dito yung code. Then, itap mo tong submit. At makikita mo dito ang iyong bank transfer complete. Okay, i-close mo na to at makikita mo naman na nabawasan na ang iyong GCash balance. At dito naman sa inbox ay makikita mo ang bank transfer status. Pag inopen mo naman ang GoTime Bank account, ay papasok na dito yung cash in na 1,000 pesos. At makakatanggap ka ng message sa yung email address. So, ganun lang po kadali mag-transfer money from GCash to GoTime Bank account. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.